WPI-ELSI, Earth Life Science Institute, Tokyo Institute of Technology. The theme of WPI-ELSI is World-Class Interdisciplinary Research Hub, exploring the origins of Earth and life.
How did our planet Earth form in the solar system? And how did Earth's life emerge on this planet? And is there life beyond Earth in the solar system and beyond? These are fundamental questions that humankind has pondered and ELSI has been tackling since its establishment, supported by the WPI program of Next Japan. So with the policy of WPI, that is the fusion of discipline, ELSI has promoted interdisciplinary research among astronomy, geoscience, chemistry, complexity science, and life science, and to play an international leading role in solving these fundamental questions. Through our research, we attempt to construct the concept of universal biology, in which we can characterize Earth's life in a wide range of parameter spaces of planet and life systems.
I have been working on the theoretical studies of formation of planets and satellites. But after I came to ELSI, I also started thinking about the life in the universe and how the environment created. Yeah, based on the planet formation, I tried to discuss about how its water was delivered to the Earth, then how much and when. So it is now a very hot topic.
My research has been focusing on studying the origins of life on the early Earth, as well as on the extraterrestrial bodies. And specifically, I'm using geochemical record to deduce the plausible environment and then build a model on that and then do experiment to simulate that condition and then try to understand how our life's building blocks were generated and evolved.
I refer to myself as a protein historian because I'm really interested in how complex biomolecules have emerged and evolved over time. And so if you look at the cell, most of the functions of the cell hinge on the action of proteins. Understanding the history of proteins is necessary to understanding the history of life. And so I use bioinformatic and experimental approaches to understand protein histories.
So we succeeded in creating evolvable synthetic cell in the lab. Particularly in ELSI, through the conversation with planetary scientists, I became aware of the environment not only on Earth but in other planets, which made me very excited to study the behavior of biological materials in such an environment. And this made us to investigate how living materials behave in an environment which is outside Earth.
WPI-ELSI is committed to training the next generation of scientists.
In the first 10 years achievement as a WPI Institute, we have realized that education is quite an important task in our institute. And astrobiology is a rapidly growing research field, and to demonstrate international leadership, we should provide young scientists, active scientists. And to do this, we started international graduate course, ELSI course.
Currently, students from various countries are studying in the WPI-ELSI course.
So I was really interested in ELSI because it was one of the only institutions in the world that has the prime objective of understanding origins of life.
I chose here because there are many scientists and students who are working on or interested in icy worlds. So this is very special environment in Japan.
I really like about ELSI in particular is that I have the space and like the encouragement to talk to people in other fields and collaborate with them.
WPI-LC has full-time staff to support researchers and international students coming to Japan.
Include social insurance and child care and visa application and housing your arrival in Japan, and also if you have any troubles and problems, please let us know. We will fully support you.
In ELSI, people working on the different fields and with the different disciplines physically exist under one roof. I think that it is the most important point for the collaboration among the different fields.
I think ELSI can develop a new strategy to understand and to reveal origins of life.